Are you looking for the best portable gas stove? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best portable gas stove are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, Grill Boss Dual Camp Stove. The Grill Boss Dual Fuel Camp Stove is a great option for those looking for an easy-to-use and compact stove that can be used with both butane and propane. The built-in piezo ignition makes it super easy to start, and the hard-shell plastic case makes it easy to pack up and take with you on your next camping trip. The Grill Boss is packed with safety features, including a gas shutoff if irregular gas flow is detected. So, if you're in the market for a dual-fuel camp stove that is easy to use and packed with safety features, the Grill Boss is a great option to consider. At number 2, Gas One Dual Spiral Stove. Are you looking for a powerful and portable stove that can boil water twice as fast as a standard stove? If so, you need to check out the GS3800DF Dual Flame Stove from Gas One. This incredible stove is approved by the CSA for its high safety standards, and it features a thermal plate that prevents the butane canister from getting cold and freezing. Plus, it has an automatic starter with a safety shutoff system, so you don't need matches or lighters. And it's portable, so it's easy to take with you camping, hiking, or even just to have on hand in case of an emergency. The GS3800DF Dual Flame Stove is the most powerful and efficient portable stove on the market, and it's perfect for anyone who loves to be outdoors or who wants to be prepared for anything. At number 3, Fireplaces Gas Stoves. The MN1 portable gas stove is a great choice for anyone looking for a high-quality, durable and reliable stove. Made from high-strength aluminum alloy, it is built to last. The bottom base is also non-slip, ensuring safety and stability while cooking. The stove is also very efficient, using infrared heating to evenly cook food without wasting gas. The 250G gas tank provides more than 3 hours of continuous use, making it ideal for long trips or extended camping trips. The electronic ignition is quick and easy to use, and the power adjustment knob allows you to customize the heat to meet your specific cooking needs. At number 4, Stainless Steel Portable Gas Stove. Are you looking for a sleek and stylish 2-burner stove that will impress your guests? If so, check out the stainless steel 2-burner stove from. This portable burner is perfect for cooking all your favorite gourmet dishes while outdoors, and it comes with a durable stand that will last for many seasons of use. The powerful burners fire up easily with the electronic matchless ignition, and the double stainless steel body and brass burners offer superior corrosion resistance. Plus, the 15,000 BTU/H each burner provides plenty of cooking power. Hose and regulator are included. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.